I had the chance to test another Protectli device, VP2420. I've seen a lot of online questions about whether it's possible to install pfSense or OpenSense on a Protectli and get close to 2.5 gigabits per second. So I put it to the test. In the box you will find the unit itself, cables, screws, a mounting panel and a power supply. The unit features 4 Intel 2.5 gigabit ports along with HDMI, DisplayPort, USB ports and a console port. Everything you need for a firewall appliance. I installed 3 operating systems: pfSense, OpenSense and Windows 11. As expected, there were no issues during installation. Just remember to create a bootable disk using a tool like Rufus. Bandwidth testing. For the bandwidth test, I connected 2 PCs, one to the LAN side and the other to the WAN side. One PC had a PCI Express 2.5 gig card, while the other one used a USB 2.5 gig card. For measuring the network speed, I used iperf, which operates with a client-server setup to measure data transfer speeds across the network. Running traffic through the firewall, I saw speeds of 2.3 gigabits per second with pfSense and OpenSense. In Windows, copying a file directly from Protectli to a connected PC around 2.2 gigabits per second. If you're looking for a reliable mini PC with 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports for a firewall or virtualization, this Protectli unit is a really solid choice. I've been playing with it for a couple of weeks and it's been really good. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll be very happy to help you.